Hello, good morning YouTube. It's been a while, I know, I'm sorry, but I'm going out today, so it's one of those that I'm taking my Canon Legria, which is what I'm filming on, and we're gonna feed some penguins. And today's weather is sunny, which is always good. Go like a hat or something stupid. Probably will be like a hat.
Can't even see, have I got that?
Why have we got one of these? A wobbly penguin ticket.
Take the bag away, I can't see.
It just makes no sense.
It's a wobbly penguin because you're going to the penguins.
How long have you kept on this for? Since
I only got it last week.
oh god. We're in the car park and the first thing I see is like an alpaca, dinghy, llama, whatever. Do not touch the animals, do not feed the animals. Aww. Morning. I'm definitely putting this in the video. Oh, look at them go! Afro chickens! Oh, hello! Oh man, Afro chickens are cool!
Come on, bubbies. There's me saying you was at an okay pace today. See, it's a Sunday morning thing, I'm sure it is.
Oh, he's running, he's like, yep.
I'm in my fish. Hey, little kizzy. So these are Humboldt penguins.
Okay.
And most of them within our group have paired up now, which is fantastic.
Good.
And we have quite a lot of successful breeding so far. We've had 4 chicks in 2014. So, the ones that are going to get fed this morning are the ones that came with us. We're going to feed those first as the reward for coming out on the walk. Any others that come out onto the decking will then get fed.
Yep.
The ones that don't come out just at the morning feed won't be fed because that's the training principle. They know, right, if we come out on the walk, we get fed. So now it is totally down to you.
Who's fighting over the fish? Don't fight, it'll be fine. You're all gonna get some.
That's it, and we got these ones waiting at the back.
Come here, guys.
They've been on their walks, they need their reward as well. Hey, Palamedes.
Oh, hello, you're on my foot.
Oh, Kizzy.
You thinking coming right at the front's gonna help you?
Oh, baby one, where's your tag gone? Oh, we got another baby coming out. The one making the noise.
Yay, finally got one.
Gonna have a little chill out. Can't go swimming on a full stomach.
Nope. He's just chilling here, he's right there.
Oh, everybody be nice to the baby one. Oh, another bit. Here we go. Did you enjoy that?
I really did. It was good. So I just had a penguin experience. I loved it. And now we're going to walk around the park. And we've got tortoise. Hey. Hello. Should definitely get a wolf for a pet. Yep, I now want an otter as well.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yes, that one in the middle, just down there, playing with his gingang-gooley goolies. And this one might start touching himself too. This dude is one funkin' chicken. You are funky, dude. Yes, hello.
Not love to have a leg for my cat. If I had a leg for my cat,
beautiful. That is a tarantula. It is a salmon pink bird eating tarantula. Nice. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Is that Leon? There he is.
It's a beautiful coral steak. Look at him. Yeah.
He's a bit smaller than that one up there.
Hey, see those chicks?
Where?
Next to him?
There is food.
Yes.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh, look at the scorpion.
What do you have to say? I never noticed.
Mum, we eat chicken. Unless you're vegan. Hello, Gaga. He looks like he's shedding his skin. Hey, little eye. There's a rattlesnake. That's how I feel every morning, mate. Every morning. Hello, little dude. You look awesome. We'll try again.
Cool him down.
His friend's like, it's okay. It's alright. Yeah, he's jealous. And he's got there first. Loads and loads of guinea pigs. Hello, little guy. How are you doing this morning? And you know what? There's kangaroos over there, guys. Hello, little fella.
Too happy.
Can we get a goat now, Mum? Do you want a goat? Oh, I can't have a dog. So, oh, hello, and he's cute. Isn't he adorable? That's what I look like in the morning. Oh, look. There's a strange mammal. That's called a worker man. Never seen them in the wild.
Right, okay, so yes, right, enjoy the rest of your day.
Fun animal fact for you. Some people don't know that some animals have orgasms. The jokes are just rolling out today. Mum's joke, you look a bit spiky.
Well,
Those two are just like sunbathing and those two are like, we're going to Great Escape.
One of them got nicked in a little bit.
Bye.
It was still going.
Hello. You.
that's the sort of thing I expect from that.
Children around. You Rudy. Well, then that can't be you, Mum. It has to be Dad. So that means that must be you instead. Hello. I'll get out your way. Aww. Oh, he's running. He's coming up.
Oh, God, so. What do you think this food?
Oh. I made a new friend, everybody. This is my friend. His name's Paul. Hello. Hello. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, no. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. You alright there?
He's hanging on to you.
It's hanging on for dear life. Am I keeping you still, my little friend? Hiya.
That's it. Cuddle up, get a photo with that.
Hiya. You gorgeous little thing. You alright?
I'm as frightened as you as me, so don't worry about it.
These are too cute. Too cute. It's very humid in here. Oh, that's a tropical fish. Goldfish.
Popping up and down.
Beautiful birds. Beautiful blue. Beautiful blue. It's getting a bit steamed up, but it's just because it's humid in here. This is to get over Mum's phobia of birds. It's not working. Look, it's like us at dinner. No, you're right, our hair is going frizzy.
There's one in the undergrowth just moved along. Yeah, look.
You took a picture or not?
We are now in the flamingo enclosure. Flamingo. And they're pretty and pink. And that has been Wingham Park thingy with Mother, who's scared of birds, Dad, who was not too keen on the lemurs, even though he was, it's just his face didn't show it, and me getting fish guts on my leg.